Hello everyone, I'm Ramon. Welcome back to Ramon at Home and to another day of the 25 days of Christmas. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can put together this really quick, beautiful wreath for your door and how to conceal the wreath hanger. So if you want to see how this is done, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like the video and share with your friends. And if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Cue the timeline. Alright, so what do you guys think? I cannot wait to read your comments, so please leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about this idea of concealing the wreath hanger. It's such a simple tip, but it really adds a lot of character to your wreath itself. That's all I have for today. I really hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share with a friend. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing by clicking this button right here. I'm gonna link up the last ornament I made. This is snow globe ornament. DIY. If you haven't seen that video, you can watch it right here, or you can just watch more videos right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye.